Okay, another episode of Ball Doesn't Lie. Last night, Phoenix was embarrassed. Ball said they were going to lose, so we're going to try it again. Sunday, Boston Celtics, home team, true team, my team, faces off against 76ers, Game 7. So, we're going to leave it up to the ball. I'm going to shoot 3 free throws. Again, the more I make, Boston wins. The more I miss, 76ers win. Who, by the way, were probably my original favorite team, somewhere about the 4th grade. Philly, Boston. I make, Boston. I miss, Philly. So let's see what happens. Good. Okay, not looking good for Boston on Sunday. We're going to try it again. 3 more shots. So it's 3 straight misses and then 4 straight makes. So we're not sure what we're going to make of that. Again, we made more. We made 4. We missed 3. So I guess we're going to have to see what happens on Sunday. But it's a lot better than yesterday. So just remember, ball doesn't lie. This is me talking to you live from Central Phoenix, and let the games begin. Okay, here's the deal. Tonight, Game 6, Phoenix Suns versus Denver Nuggets. I'm gonna let the ball decide. So we're gonna shoot 3 free throws. The more I make, the more the probability Phoenix wins. The more I miss, Denver. So, warmed up for about 15 minutes. We're going to see how it goes. Ball doesn't lie. Here we go. It's looking like that's a Denver win, but we're going to try it one more time. Folks, that's going to look like a Denver win tonight, but then again, I haven't played in about 6 or 7 months, so we're going to have to see how that plays out. signing off live from Encano Park in Central Phoenix.